Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor rug, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose outdoor rugs, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor rug from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. iCustom Rug Indoor-Outdoor Turf Carpet and Rugs. Introducing the iCustom Rug Indoor-Outdoor Turf Carpet and Rugs, a versatile solution for your indoor and outdoor spaces. Designed with practicality and style in mind, this low-profile rug boasts a thin and lightweight construction, making it easy to transport and store. Its zone-5 pile height, coupled with a marine backing, ensures natural water drainage, perfect for outdoor use. Shipped folded for convenience, simply unpack and lay flat in the sun for 72 hours to remove any creases or fold marks. Made from 100% polypropylene, this rug is stain-resistant and easy to care for. Just hose down and hang dry in the sun for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Ideal for various settings, from nautical-themed outdoor spaces to contemporary indoor decor. This rug adds a touch of elegance and functionality. Transform your patio, garden, or any indoor space effortlessly with the iCustom rug. Available in a vibrant green color and measuring 6x10, it's the perfect addition to your home or outdoor oasis. Number 2. Ottomanson Waterproof Non-Slip Rubberback Solid Design Indoor-Outdoor Runner Rug. Introducing the Ottomanson Waterproof Non-Slip Rubberback Solid Design Indoor-Outdoor Runner Rug, a practical and stylish addition to your home or outdoor space. Measuring 2x6 with a thickness of just 0.2 inches, this rug offers ideal functionality for busy areas, under furniture, and in entryways without obstructing doorways. Crafted in India with high-quality, stain-resistant polyester material, and featuring a rubber backing to minimize slipping, this rug provides safety and durability. For added comfort and grip, consider purchasing double-sided rug tape. With its contemporary solid gray design, this rug effortlessly enhances the look of any room while complementing a variety of home decor styles. Plus, it's kid and pet-friendly, offering resistance to high foot traffic and life's unpredictable messes. Whether used indoors or outdoors, in the hallway, bathroom, or laundry room, the Ottomanson Runner Rug from the Lifesaver collection is a versatile and practical choice for any space. Number 3. IOHOUZE Black Boho Area Rug Indoor-Outdoor Doormat. Introducing the IOHOUZE Black Boho Area Rug Indoor-Outdoor Doormat, a versatile and stylish addition to your home decor. Crafted with care, this rug is hand-woven from 100% cotton, providing a soft touch and extreme durability. Unlike printed color rugs, the pattern of this rug is constructed by the colors of the thread itself, ensuring long-lasting vibrancy even after multiple washes. This rug is machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. Whether vacuumed, hand-washed, or machine-washed, it stays as sturdy and vibrant as new. The timeless tassels boho design adds a touch of elegance to any room, from kitchens to bedrooms, and its multi-purpose nature makes it suitable for various spaces. Available in a variety of sizes, from doormat to area rug, choose the perfect size for your space and enjoy the comfort and durability of the IOHOUZE Black Boho Area Rug. Remember, for added stability, pair it with a rug pad to prevent slippage and movement. Elevate your space's style and comfort with this beautiful and functional rug today. Number 4. SAFAVIEH Courtyard Collection Area Rug Indoor-Outdoor and Washable-Ideal for Patio. Introducing the SAFAVIEH Courtyard Collection Area Rug, an exceptional blend of style and durability, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted with expertise, this rug is machine-woven from enhanced synthetic fibers, ensuring resistance to stains, weather, and UV rays. Its non-shedding 25-inch thick pile offers comfort and longevity. Designed to withstand the rigors of everyday life, this rug is kid and pet-friendly, making it ideal for high-foot traffic areas. Maintenance is stress-free with regular vacuuming and easy rinsing with soapy water and a garden hose. As a trusted brand with over a century of experience, SAFAVIEH brings you trendy, high-quality designs that stand the test of time. Begin your rug search with confidence and explore over 100,000 products today. Available in a contemporary geometric pattern and natural black color combination, this rug adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Choose the SAFAVIEH Courtyard Collection Area Rug for enduring style and durability in your home or patio. Number 5. Rugshop Lucca Contemporary Floral Indoor-Outdoor Runner Rug. Elevate your indoor or outdoor space with a Rugshop Lucca Contemporary Floral Indoor-Outdoor Runner Rug. Featuring a modern floral design, this rug adds sophistication and artistic flair to any setting. Crafted from durable 100% polypropylene, it ensures lasting quality and resilience in various environments. With its low profile, flat weave, and weather-resistant construction, this rug is perfect for high-traffic areas and outdoor settings. Available in a versatile range of sizes, from 2x7 to 9x12, it accommodates various spaces effortlessly. Whether used on patios, balconies, or in living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and dining rooms, its versatility shines through. Experience the comfort, durability, and easy maintenance of this rug, machine-made in Turkey. Its modern abstract pattern adds visual allure to any space. For cleaning, simply rinse with a garden hose and dry in sunlight to maintain its pristine condition. Upgrade your decor with the Rugshop Lucca Contemporary Floral Indoor-Outdoor Runner Rug today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.